Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to do a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, let's navigate to the Media tab and double-click to open the Media library. Select the files and click on the Open button. Once the selected files are imported into the Media tab, drag them onto the track, and it will create a new sequence. Before starting the editing process, let's have a preview. You can explain your video purpose or add a voiceover to a certain part of the video. To add a voiceover, go to the audio track and right-click on it. From this menu, open VoiceOver Record Settings. You can rename the voiceover by change in the text bar. Then select the voiceover source. Check the countdown sound option if you want to, or enable pre-roll time. You have time customization options, and then finally click on Close. Now, on the audio track, click on the mic icon to start the voiceover. After a 3-second countdown, it will start voice recording. Once you are done, click on the mic again to stop recording. Let me zoom in on the track to have a clear look. And there you go. You can see the voice recording on the track. And that's it. This is how you can add a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.